Hey guys, so it's Vlogmas day 11 and it's also the last day to enter my Lorac Mega Pro palette giveaway. So the next 2 days are going to be pretty fun going through entries and all that stuff, but I'll definitely show you guys behind the scenes of how I do the giveaways. So I have an appointment right now with my chiropractor, so I'm going to head over there, and then not too sure what else, but yeah. Hey guys, so I'm headed to my chiropractor now. I had to park super far. Ooh, a butterfly. Heading over now. Super exciting. So I'm here at the chiropractor, and there's this contraption that helps like create the curve in your neck. I'm gonna see if you guys can actually see.
He wanted to know when we started at 8 in the morning and ski till 5. So Anthony, you're gonna have to deal with him, not me.
I don't think I'm going that long, right? He's ready to really get after him. Yeah, sir, you're starting to really balance out down here too. Let's start put this side up here for me. Is that?
So what do you want them? You got a couple more minutes for your
Yeah.
That's good.
I like it.
You like,
I like when it gets right up there.
Yeah.
Like stretching it over.
Yeah.
Would you ever do another coffee?
Probably, but I'll probably keep purple for a while.
Yeah, I like it.
The thing about some of the other colors is like they're possible to get out, like green, like it permanently stains your hair, so like it's hard to go another color after that one.
Face up,
But I
so
might
don't
like
get
to
your
like
neck
pink
hair
or
going too
like
serious.
pink or like that.
I don't think everyone can pull off. I want to bleach my wife. All right, turn on your side when you come up here, sir. All right. Yep. Okay, there we go. Let's we got you. See what the heck it is. I know he's.
He wasn't,
He's on. He's in the green.
was he? I'll get him up.
See what's going on if you're something to help him with, and we'll work something. What's your friend? What's new, Ryan? We're acting like crazy now. I was put that in the back.
Oh, should it?
I think the thought of bringing it down is actually worse than
This is good too.
No, not lately, but I actually wedding videos.
Hey guys, so I am here at the shops at Pembroke Gardens. So I was in the area because I wanted to go to a better grocery store to get the ingredients for the master cleanse, and I never come down to these shops. It's been a few years actually since I've been down here, and yeah, a lot has changed. I will say it was hard to find parking, but I'll show you guys. They have kind of all kinds of stores. They have like a lot of restaurants, Segafredo, they have Lime, they have W Shoes. They have a lot of cool pubs down here actually. Steps New York. They do have a Sephora, which is here to check out the Sephora because every Sephora is different and carries different items. They have Origins. I saw BCBG. They have Banana Republic. What else did I see? Bath and Body Works, White Barn. Yeah, so there's like a little bit of everything here, which is kind of cool. Although I don't know. I don't know if I prefer shops like this or if I prefer it in a mall form. I don't know. Oh my god, this place is crazy right now. It's just like so many people. It's just super chaotic. The line is crazy long. I don't know how I feel about this. So here's like the rundown of all the things they have. They've got for beauty and health, we've got Bath and Body Works, Origins, Sephora. Look at all these restaurants, and it continues to the next side. So pretty cool. The one that actually really intrigued me was the pub. That looks like it's probably got a lot of amazing beers. If I didn't have to drive, I would totally go there. Oh, Misha's Cupcakes. Oh, we need to find this. For the home, they've got like, you Yankee Candle, jewelry and accessories. Let's see, like, they got BCBG. Nothing too really exciting as far as clothing, but this is kind of like an old people area, kind of. They do a farmer's market every Sunday. That's kind of cool. And for shoes, they got a DSW, which is kind of neat. Yeah, let's see where Misha's is. And Misha's is 43. How do we get there? It's kind of odd that they don't have it like where the streets are. They just have like ocean in the back. That's kind of bizarre. So Sephora's here. What's this 52 corner one? Why they gotta make it so complicated? 52 is love culture. So I gotta head that way? I don't know, we'll see. We shall see. Girl needs some cupcakes, right? Before I do this cleanse. So love culture's down here. So Misha's was basically the opposite way. Boy, that map makes it look huge. Yeah, it's actually a pretty, it seems like it's going to be a really pretty day, right? When you look on that side, but wait till you see around this corner. Gonna die. Look at those clouds. It's not gonna be pretty real fast. See, I'm not sure if they meant left or right. So you can't see it because the palm tree's covering it, but it's right there. I found it. Yes. Super. Oh, I know. They have like the most amazing flavors. Like, what's nice too is that they're little mini cupcakes, so you kind of don't feel as guilty. But they're pretty decadent. They're like super famous in Miami. Ooh, look, they got Boston cream pie. You know, I gotta get one. No, I'm not gonna buy all of them, but I'm gonna buy a bunch of them. But they even got a guava cream cheese one. Yeah, so I just wanted to share this with you guys. So I didn't get that many. So I got 12. Oh my gosh. Don't these look so pretty? I mean, they are pricey for little mini cupcakes, but like they're definitely, look at the detail on them. It's pretty amazing. So I'm getting some stuff for the master cleanse. Gotta get ready for it.
Love your hair.
Thank you.